Hi, welcome to the online plug. Today's video, I'll be taking you through the ordering process on Alibaba, from looking for the products that you want to order, how to communicate with the suppliers, get the information that you need before you place the order. I have a recent order that I received, which I'll be using as an example and showing you the different stages that I went through to get the product delivered to me. So I'll be sharing my screen to show you the different stages that you go through during the buying process. Let's go. Okay, let's get started. If you're using a mobile phone, you can use the Alibaba app, which is the one here, this orange one. You can just click it open after you've downloaded. You can get it on the Play Store or App Store. This is the home page where you have a few suggested products that may appear. So here's the main page, and to find products you have option 1, which is to search using names. You just type in your name of what you're looking for here on the search bar, and the picture search, which is here, where you pick a picture if you have something specific that you're looking for. And both options are fast, both options work differently. So to start off with, let's do a search for a pair of wedding shoes, which is what I'm looking for. So I have a picture already sent to me by a client who I'm assisting with the ordering. So she sent me this for her wedding. What we're doing now is just trying to find if we have a picture match of the shoe that we want. So as we're scrolling right now, you can see the different designs. Some are slightly similar to the picture that I've looked for. Some are a bit off, but you can keep scrolling to check and see if you can find the exact product. It seems like we can't get something specific here. But anyway, sometimes you may get an exact match, sometimes you don't. When I searched initially, I found something similar and used that to message the supplier. But what you can do, looking at the results that I have here, you can just pick something similar to what you're looking for and message the supplier, because sometimes the supplier has a wide variety of products that maybe they can provide, but they may not appear in your search results. So looking at the picture that I have, I can pick this one here, written Crystal Queen, which is slightly similar to what I'm looking for in terms of the picture. And there's a high chance that the supplier could have that product in stock because they have something closer to what I'm looking for. Because sometimes here you find, if you keep scrolling, you have more options here of the different type of products that they have. So you can see here on the list, this one here for $9.99, that's closer to what I'm looking for. Then there's also this option here for $10.99. So once you've seen what you want, you can just open to check if it's exactly what you're looking for, which is this. Exactly, this is what I want. So sometimes, you may not get the exact result that you're looking for, but if you find something similar, you can always just open and see if the supplier has something under their store, which you can compare and see if it's close to what you want. If not, you can always message the supplier for more details. So all these are the company details. It has the information on how long they've been trading, 2 years, on-time delivery rate, response time. Those are some of the things that you look at. Also, if they are verified or if they have trade assurance on their products. So now that I've found the shoe that I'm looking for, the next step will be to chat with the supplier. After you sign up, if you're already registered, you will be able to chat with suppliers because they'll have your details in order to communicate with you, send orders, and all that information. Okay, so I found the shoe that I want. So now I can send an inquiry. This is a supplier that I've used before. If you are ready to do your order, or if you need to find out more details, what you can do is just click on chat now in order to chat with the supplier. So this is the supplier that I communicated with before, the one that I used to order my pair of shoes. So if you click on chat now, it will open you to a chat box. This is what the chat box is like. So this is a conversation that I've been having with the supplier, where you find the information that you just be talking about. They'll ask the style, the color, any specifications that you want. Also, if you have a shipping agent in China who can assist you to ship, this is where you give them the information. They need to know this because they have to see how much it will cost for them to deliver your order to your shipping agent. So here I send them the picture of the shoe that I wanted, just to make sure it's the correct one and we don't have any issues on the order. I send the picture. I send the picture and then confirmed on the size. Then they sent me a payment link. Usually it's sent to your email, or it's also sent here, where if you just click on make payment here, where it says waiting for payment, if you click on make payment, it should take you to a window where you enter your card details and do your payment. Once the payment is done, there's a fee that they charge whenever you do your transaction. As you can see, the charge was $30.99 from the supplier. Then Alibaba will charge you a fee on every transaction that you make. So I ended up paying $14.41 for the payment. And then the size, I send them the size. And then once I sent through my details and the order was prepared, before sending it out to my shipping agent, they confirmed my details here, and I got the tracking number. So this was ordered on, let's just do the calculations. Payment was made on the 14th of June. They sent out to my supplier on the 15th of June. And I received it about a month later on the 14th of July. That's when I received. So it took about 3 weeks and a few days to come to my country. I'm in Botswana. To come to Botswana, including delivery and clearance.